Okay, we're back from the paint booth. All of our parts have been painted. Our walls, windows, shutters, roof, foundation pieces. I've clipped off the garage. We're going to build that separately. You don't have to build these exactly the way they came out of the box. We'll build that garage later and do some other special things with it to show you some more tips. I did paint all the parts, even the ones I wanted white. I painted it white so that you didn't have a bare plastic look on things. Next, we have to start taking these pieces off of the runners. I'm going to start doing that with a pair of flush cutting pliers. You can get these at any hobby shop. And we're just going to nip this where it meets the tree. Once we take a part off, we want to clean the edges a little bit. It's better to cut away from the part and then trim flush rather than try and cut it off all at once. That way you don't accidentally nick the plastic that you want to keep. So a couple quick swipes with a sharp hobby knife and you'll be down to good there. These kits come with a lot of windows and doors, and they all go together basically the same way. We're going to start by doing some windows here in this house. Trim each one. Again, check each piece, make sure there's no extra little burrs on there from the trim or any extra flashing from the molding. If you need to, you can always get a sanding block or a file and give it one last little swipe just to get any last little bits off of the edge. To install our windows, we're going to be putting them here in the different locations. This will go very quickly. Again, I'm going to use a liquid plastic cement for this. I'm going to start by brushing a little on the back side. Just go around the edge of the window. And drop into place. Just to give it a little extra stick, you can always turn these parts over and put a little more glue on the back. That'll flow nicely into those seams and keep everything nice and tight. Now, through the magic of editing, we're going to come back to a completely finished house with all the windows and doors in place.